Well, joining us this morning from outside Parliament is my colleague Maha Siddiqui. Maha, will there be a discussion in the Rajya Sabha or will we see a repeat of what happened yesterday in the Lok Sabha? That's the big question, considering leaders like Chiranjeevi have already threatened to stall proceedings in the upper house.
Well, the proceedings are definitely going to be stalled over Telangana, Ruchika. There is no doubt about that. That's what we've seen in the upper house as well, all through the extended winter session of Parliament, that the Seemandhra MPs troop into the well of the house and disrupt the proceedings. So those scenes and chaotic scenes are likely in the Rajya Sabha as well. But we must remember that the opposition seems to be now on board with the government over the issue of Telangana. And we saw yesterday how the leader of opposition, Sushma Swaraj, in the Lok Sabha made her speech even while there was din, and the BJP sided with the government as far as the Telangana bill is concerned. In the Rajya Sabha, that support of the BJP is going to be extremely crucial, Ruchika, because we must remember that the government doesn't have the numbers in the Rajya Sabha. So the BJP is going to be a crucial factor in the Rajya Sabha, but all indications are that the BJP is going to be taking a similar stand. However, there is a parliamentary party meeting at 9:30 and we'll get a clear picture of how the BJP would want the government to proceed in the upper house. Because remember, yesterday many of the MPs were not aware inside the house that the telecast was cut off on Lok Sabha TV of the proceedings, and Sushma Swaraj later tweeted saying that this is not the right approach rather as far as this contentious bill is concerned. So there may be some negotiations with the government as far as discussions are concerned. Also, let me point out, Ruchika, that as of now in the revised list of business in the upper house, we do not see the bill figuring today. However, nothing stops the government from bringing the bill in the supplementary list of business. That is quite likely. Only 3 days left for Parliament in this session. So clearly the government has to bring the bill either today, tomorrow. Those are the only 2 days available for them, clearly, because Friday will be cutting it too fine.
Well, Kamal Nath, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has already made it clear that they will be immediately bringing it to the Rajya Sabha. Maha Siddiqui will be following those developments there in Parliament.